maximum effort.
This week we're watching Deadpool, and during exam season you're going to need to give maximum effort. This movie has all you need to know to get through exam season, including these 12 days of exam tips. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Professor Kathy, and I help students get better grades in less time. I teach using a Netflix style of learning, and this week I'm watching Deadpool. Now, in this particular scene, Deadpool's trying to clean the blood off of his white suit. He's doing this at the laundromat, and in the laundromat he runs into his future roommate, and she says, well, why don't you wear a red suit, you dumb. So Deadpool learns that wearing a white suit, getting covered in blood, is a terrible idea, so he changes his strategy and switches to a red suit. When you are writing an exam, you need to be adaptable. One way you may need to adapt is to perhaps answer the questions in a different order. That's just one example. So exam tip number 5, be adaptable. You must be willing to change your strategy. So for example, you may find one question that's quite easy. Answer that one first. Don't write the exam questions in the order they appear on the exam. By writing the easy questions first, you'll probably take less time than you had budgeted. See one of our other exam tips. And by answering an easy question, you'll gain confidence. You're less likely to be panicky during the rest of the exam, and you'll score some easy marks. And because you probably took less time than was necessary to answer that question, you now have extra minutes left over at the exam to work on those more difficult questions because you don't want to run out of time. Do you ever write an exam with the questions in a different order? If you do, hit like. Let me know. Stay tuned for our next exam tip. And take a look at this next scene. And if you can guess what that exam tip is, drop it in the comments below. We'll see you next time.